Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk to you about the GoPro Boom. Now I have it separated here for a reason. Usually it comes attached, but what I found is I'm using one at a time. So since they come in a two-piece almost, you can break them up. I like to put one on the car on my 360 mount, and then the other I'll use for another camera mount. Now GoPro does sell an adhesive mount and a bike mount or a clamp mount, and also a suction cup mount. So what I've done is I've taken these magnet quarter mounts from Amazon, link below, and I've put on a tripod adapter pretty much for GoPro. It's linked below as well. And basically I just slap that on there and I'm able to attach these other boom part to the GoPro as well. Just using any kind of, screw mount. The other screws that come with this are really good, especially if you ratchet them down, this doesn't move. So I was able to get, two car mounts pretty much using the one boom system, and it yields really good results because I'm able to use one boom system with two cameras. I found that if you do use the 360, it does work. Also with the Hero 11 Mini or the Hero 11 Black or any Hero camera, the 8s and on have the feet attached to the bottom, so you're able to just put them on the feet. However, if you really want to go a long distance or you really want the smoothest, you will need to use this little applied, I guess, I don't know what it's called, but it's basically a stabilizer. So let's say I wanted to use this GoPro and I didn't want it to move around or shake at all. I wasn't using hyper smooth or hyperlapse. You can attach this to that, and then these little feet can clamp on to either part of the system, and then you can attach it that way. And this will give you a little bit more stable and then you could just use two of these magnet mounts, so two of these onto the car, and you won't get any of the wobble. I'll show you some footage now using the 360. So this is the GoPro Hero Max. I'm using the boom arm. It's kind of like this. It's got a magnet at the bottom and a GoPro at the top. I'm using the 360 camera right now, and I'm going to just mount it outside the car. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions about any of this stuff below. Links to all the products that are not supplied by GoPro will be down in the description. That includes the magnet and the tripod adapters. Yeah, overall, I'm really impressed with these boom arms. I'm going to try it out with some drift cars at the end of the month to see how that goes. And yeah, stay tuned.